Hi everyone, in this video, I will show you how to fix AliExpress payment error. I will be showing you a few steps here. First, you need to check your payment details. So you have to make sure your card number, expiration date, and CVV and billing address are correct. Even a small typo can cause a failure. Number two, you need to ensure your card account is authorized for online or international use. You can also contact your bank or wallet provider and confirm international transactions are allowed, online payments are enabled, and there's no fraud, block, or temporary hold. Number three, you need to verify sufficient funds, so ensure your card, PayPal, or e-wallet account has enough balance, including currency conversion fees. Now, the last option here is you need to go to Help Center. You can contact a customer service agent here or representative. Her name is Eva, or you can also ask another agent to answer you with a question. So basically, here you need to include or you need to provide your AliExpress email or username, order ID, exact error message you're seeing, payment method, time and date of the failed attempt, a screenshot of the error. You can also use this message if you want. For example, you can send a message saying, "Hello, I'm having trouble with making a payment on my order. I've tried multiple times using my Visa card, but I keep getting the error message. Payment failed. Please try again. I've checked my card details and balance, and my bank says there are no blocks. My order number is, and then can you help me find out what's causing the problem? Thank you." So all you have to do here is you have to wait for the response. You may receive a reply instantly via chat or by email within 24 or 48 hours. They may ask for additional info like proof of identity or bank statement with personal information hidden. So basically that's it. I hope this video helped you. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.